Welcome back to my channel, the Ananya Diaries. I am Ananya Sinha, a second year graduation student preparing for my CAT. Today's video I will be sharing my today's schedule. So let's get started.
Okay.
Today's task will be quant 35 questions of percentage, reading editorials, 3 sets of DI and 10 questions of parajumbles. So it's already been 12:20 and at 6 o'clock I have to go somewhere. So today's task will not be so much. Guys, I have done with today's quant. So now it's 2:15 and now we will do DI. So I have completed my quant section. Percentage 35 questions, but I have only attempted 31 questions. And now I am going to do DI sets.
A few moments later.
Done with DI and the time is 4:10, so I will be taking 5 minutes break and after that I will read editorial. Done with today's editorial and the time is 5:05. Done with today's work and the task which is left I will complete at night. So see you in the next video.